Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me for Craft with 5. I think Eliza's going to join us too. And this month I actually used all 5 of the prompts. It took me a little work to get there, but I got it done. For October it was pumpkin, orange, stencil, stickers, paints. So I had plans and then got sidetracked. I know you're shocked. What I was thinking about was for my pumpkin, stenciling on it with the paint. And I forgot and used Distress Oxide. But if you haven't stenciled on your die cuts before, it's a great way to not have to color things. And our friend Mary stenciled dogs and they were adorable. Patterns on dogs that you wouldn't expect. So I have my orange pumpkin. I've stenciled on the back with, I think I ended up using black soot because I had a little trouble with my gray. And then just a little topper on the pumpkin. I was looking for my thickers, which I know I have some, but I didn't find them. So I used dies here. So I was gonna use stickers here. And then I forgot about the paint because I had done that here. So I used a paint marker, some gold oil paint on the ridges of this paper. And I don't know how you buy this paper. I think it came to me in an art swap and I just thought it was great for this. And then my friends said we needed a cat and they were right. The cat is fabulous. And then the cat has a little gold eye. And then I have a sticker right there. I have a sticker. So I actually got all 5 done this month and I love it. I like how it turned out. Maybe I should have put the letters a little further apart, and I do think they're a little crooked, but I think Amy will be okay with it. And I think that's a fun idea if you have some big pumpkins. I was also thinking it wouldn't have worked. These dies were a little weird. That's another story, but you could have your pumpkin and then you could use dies to cut it out and put black paper behind it, and it would be even more kind of like a jack-o'-lantern. So that's another idea. Be sure to check out the playlist down below that takes you to the other collaborators for Craft with 5, and you can see what people make and how they are using Beth's prompts. And I don't know if you can tell, but I have some copper colored paper back here too. Kind of helps that eye pop. It is fun to see what people come up with for these prompts. This is turning out to be a really fun collaboration. Not more fun than Smash Our Stash, but right up there. I will be back again on the 12th for Clear It Out, and you won't even believe what you see. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out everybody else. The link is down below in the description because this is a link playlist collaboration. It's better than a hashtag. Bye-bye.